Hello students, now in this video we are going to discuss about the next topic about the karyokinesis or the part of the this is the part of the mitosis. Okay, so we will study here the last stage. You know very well that already you have studied about the cell cycle. So now here we will study that how the cell division will occur in the cells. So you must have to remember that cell division, it means to say you have studied in cell cycle. In cell cycle you have studied that the one phase is M phase, okay, and G1S and G2 phase, like G1S and G2, and this is M phase. Okay, so we will study here that about the M phase, the meaning of the M phase. It means to say ki how the cell divided and how the cell division proceed in the successive of cells or either of animal and plants. Clear? So before going to description about the mitosis, we will have to know that the meaning of the mitosis. Okay, now first what is mitosis? Clear? So you will have to know here that the meaning of the mitosis is that suppose that we have the one cell, like this is the mother cell. Okay, this is the mother cell, and this cell will have to go in the cell division like mitosis. Now this cell is about to go in mitosis. So these are the next changes which will occur in mitosis division, and this is the cell where the mitosis division will proceed. So you know that in each cell, either of animal or plant cell, the mitosis will occur. So this is the mother cell which will have to go in mitosis. Okay, so mitosis, this is the division where, and these are the chromosome. You know ki each and every cell have the definite number of the chromosome. So here there are two number of the chromosome. Okay, and this is the duplication or replication of the chromosome. It means to say ki the you have studied in synthetic phase that the chromosome will be multiplied and replicated, and the number of gene will be double. Okay, so and during the process of mitosis, the number of chromosome, this is the number of chromosome, so this is the number of chromosome in the cell will be duplicated. And in this cell division, so in this cell division what happened, there are two cells. Okay, there are two cells will be formed here after the end of the mitosis. So mitosis is the division where the mother cell or parent cell will divided in two daughter cell. Okay, you must have to remember the definition. In mitosis, this is the division of cell where two daughter cells are formed, and these two daughter cells will have the same number of the chromosome just to the parent cell or mother cell. It means to say कि you must have to remember here that the mitosis is the division of the cell where the two daughter cells are formed, and in these two daughter cells the number of chromosome will be similar to that of parent cell. Okay, और mother cell. Okay, it mean to say कि mother cell में जिसमें कि division होगा mitosis, तो mitosis में क्या होता है कि two daughter cell लास्ट में बनेंगी. This is most important feature, that only two daughter cells are formed in last of the process of the mitosis, and where the number of chromosome will be same to that of parent और mother cell. यहाँ पर क्या होगा, जो two daughter cell बनेंगी उनमें जितने क्रोमोसोम पेरेंट या मदर सेल में है उतने ही क्रोमोसोम इन डॉटर सेल्स में होंगे. सपोज दैट यहाँ पर क्रोमोसोम मदर सेल में हाउ मेनी नंबर क्रोमोसोम आर देयर इन मदर सेल, लाइक 2 नंबर आर देयर. सो दीज 2 नंबर विल रिमेन इन डॉटर सेल ऑल्सो, लाइक हियर, लाइक 2 in this cell and also 2 in this cell. Okay, so this is the clarification about the mitosis. So mitosis is the division of cell where two daughter cells are formed, where the number of chromosome will be similar to that of parent cell or mother cell. Okay, this is the complete definition of the mitosis. in next step that how in next step we will know that how the cells divided, okay, and how the process of mitosis occur in the cells. So this is the overall process of the mitosis, that in how many steps or how the cells proceed or undergoes into the mitosis process. Okay, so in mitosis mechanism, so you must have to remember, especially mitosis mechanism, there are two steps like karyokinesis like this and cytokinesis. So you must have to remember that mitosis, when we will discuss about the mechanism, so mitosis will have the two substages. It means to say mitosis will divide in two phases, karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Okay, you must have to remember that mitosis will include the two phases like karyokinesis and cytokinesis. So it means to say in mechanism of the mitosis what happen, so there will be two types of changes occur in the cell, like the changes occurs in nucleus of the cell, those all changes are called karyokinesis, or the division of the nucleus of cell is called karyokinesis. While after completing the karyokinesis, after completing the changes in nucleus, the cytoplasm will divide, and the cytoplasm division is called the cytokinesis. You must have to remember, and that's why we are saying here that mitosis will have two phases. The first phase is karyokinesis and the second phase is cytokinesis. And the karyokinesis, this is the division of the nucleus of the cell, and after completing the karyokinesis or division of the nucleus, the cytoplasm will start to divide, and the division of cytoplasm is called the cytokinesis. So it is clear now that the mitosis will involve the two phases, karyokinesis and cytokinesis. So this is overall the description about the karyokinesis. So karyokinesis, what changes will occur here? You can see here that this is the overall the cell that will go under the mitosis process, and here the changes will occur in this nucleus. Clear? So in this nucleus the changes will occur, and after the changes, like you can see here, these are the changes like this. Here you can see in the first parent cell, you can see the chromatin. You know that chromosome are present in the nucleus of the cell. So you can see here, before the division of the cell, before starting the division of the cell, the chromatin or network you will see here in the nucleus. Okay, the network you will see here, you are seeing here that the network is present in the nucleus. But after completing the mitosis, or when the mitosis will start, then the karyokinesis process, now what happened in the karyokinesis, there are changes, there may be different kind of changes you may observe here, like the chromatin will appear in the form of chromosome, like you can see here that these are the different chromosomes. Okay, so here you are seeing that chromatin will be appear here in the form of condensed form. Okay, and these condensed form are chromosomes. Clear? So you can see here that the nucleus will be appear in the form of the chromosomes. Okay, so chromosome will be appear in the nucleus. This is the change of the nucleus. That's why we can say the karyokinesis will be proceed here. Okay, and after the completion of the karyokinesis or the changing of the nucleus, there will start of division of the cytoplasm. And after the cytoplasm division, you are seeing here that यहाँ पर आप देख रहे हैं ना कि ये जो सेल है कंप्लीट, तो यहाँ पर न्यूक्लियस का डिवीजन होने के बाद you are seeing here, after completing the division of nucleus, there are two nuclei will be formed here. Okay, there will be formation of two nuclei here, and जब टू न्यूक्लियाई बन जाएंगे तो आफ्टर दैट द साइटोप्लाज्म विल स्टार्ट टू डिवाइड, लाइक यहाँ पर ये बीच में आप देख रहे हैं ना, इस तरह की एक तरह की कंस्ट्रक्शन है. तो हियर द साइटोप्लाज्म विल बी डिवाइडेड एंड इन लास्ट देयर आर टू सेल्स विल बी फॉर्म्ड. ओके, तो देयर विल बी फॉर्मेशन ऑफ टू सेल इन लास्ट. तो वी कैन से कि आफ्टर कैरियोकाइनेसिस द साइटोकाइनेसिस विल रिजल्ट इन द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ टू डॉटर सेल. तो it mean to say the karyokinesis, these are the changes of the nucleus, like you can see here कि there are formation of 2 nuclei, and after completion of the karyokinesis the cytoplasm will divide here of the cell, and the result of the cytokinesis there will be the formation of 2 cells, like these are the 2 daughter cells, these are completely formed here. But after karyokinesis the cell will not be separated completely. यहाँ पर देख रहे हैं ना कि यहाँ पर जो सेल है उसमें न्यूक्लियस तो बन गए हैं 2, लेकिन वो सेल पूरी तरह से डिवाइड नहीं हो पाई है। तो डिवाइड होने के लिए क्या होगा, साइटोप्लाज्म डिवाइड करेगा, और जब पूरी तरीके से साइटोप्लाज्म डिवाइड हो जाएगा तो साइटोप्लाज्म के डिवाइड होने के बाद देयर विल बी फॉर्मेशन ऑफ 2 डॉटर सेल completely. Okay, so you can see here there is the formation of 2 daughter cell after completion of the cytokinesis, and the cytokinesis will occur after completion of the karyokinesis. And karyokinesis, the different changes occur in the form of prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. यानी कि यहाँ पर हम कह रहे हैं कि karyokinesis होगा और cytokinesis होगा, but the karyokinesis, it means these are the changes of the nucleus, like you can see here the nucleus will be appear in the form of chromosome like here, but before the karyokinesis the nucleus will appear in the form of chromatin fiber or network of the chromatin fiber. Okay, so karyokinesis result there will be the formation of 2 nuclei, and after the completion of the karyokinesis the cytoplasm division will start, and after the completing of cytokinesis or cytoplasm division there will be formation of 2 daughter nuclei, and where the chromosome will be same to that of the parent cell. This is the overall process of mitosis, and must have to remember that karyokinesis, we are saying here that there will be different kind of changes taking place in nucleus. So what kind of different changes taking place here? So these all changes are called prophase, metaphase and एनाफेज एंड टीलोफेज, यानी कि न्यूक्लियस में जो चेंजेस होंगे कैरियोकाइनेसिस जो होगी दिस विल बी अकर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ प्रोफेज, मेटाफेज, एनाफेज एंड टीलोफेज. लाइक यू कैन से कि कैरियोकाइनेसिस दीज आर द चेंजेस ऑफ द न्यूक्लियस, सो दीज चेंजेस विल बी अपीयर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ दीज स्टेजेस. लाइक यू कैन सी हियर, यू आर सीइंग हियर दैट न्यूक्लियर डिवीजन ना, न्यूक्लियर में होने वाला डिवीजन, न्यूक्लियस में जो चेंजेस होंगे तो वो चेंजेस किस फॉर्म में हमको दिखाई देंगे, दोज चेंजेस will be seen in the form of sub stages prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. यानी कि you can see कि karyokinesis is the long process of mitosis, and you will have to study in detail about the prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. Okay, so we will study these stages also. Clear? So now this is the first phase of the mitosis division. Okay, we are saying here that mitosis will involve in 2 phases. Mitosis will involve in 2 phases like karyokinesis and cytokinesis. And also I have told you that karyokinesis is the division of the nucleus. I have told you na, karyokinesis is the division of nucleus. So karyokinesis is the division of nucleus, and there are different kind of changes we will observe in the nucleus during the karyokinesis. So this is the first kind of the changes. Like karyokinesis will also be divided in different phases. I have told you also in just before karyokinesis. Okay, सो कैरियोकाइनेसिस की जो पहली स्टेज है दैट इज़ कॉल्ड प्रोफेज, यानी कि कैरियोकाइनेसिस में भी बहुत सारी स्टेजेस होती हैं. कैरियोकाइनेसिस विल हैव प्रोफेज, मेटाफेज, एनाफेज एंड टीलोफेज. यानी कि व्हाट विल बी हैपन हियर कि न्यूक्लियस में जो होने वाले चेंजेस हैं दोज ऑल चेंजेस विल बी अकर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ प्रोफेज, मेटाफेज, एनाफेज एंड टीलोफेज. ओके, so karyokinesis will be appear in the cell either in the form of prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. So this is the first phase of the karyokinesis, that is called the prophase. So prophase, this is the changes in the nucleus, what kind of changes occur in the prophase. Okay, तो prophase occur in the early prophase and late prophase. तो what happen, देखिए we know that nucleus present in the cell. This is overall the structure of the cell, ये पूरी cell है. And now you can see here, this is the changes in the nucleolus. Okay, जो न्यूक्लियर इन्वॉल्व है, जो न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन है, वो धीरे धीरे डिसइंटीग्रेट होना स्टार्ट हो जाएगी लाइक दिस. ओके, तो दिस इज द फर्स्ट चेंजेस इन द प्रोफेज. एंड ऑल्सो सेंट्रोमियर विल बी अटैच्ड विद काइनेटोकोर. ये स्ट्रक्चर आप बाद में भी समझेंगे. एंड यू ऑल्सो हैव स्टडीड इन यू विल ऑल्सो स्टडी इन दीज स्ट्रक्चर अबाउट, यू हैव ऑल्सो स्टडीड अबाउट द दीज स्ट्रक्चर इन सेल पार्ट. ओके, सेल में भी आपने इन चीज़ों को स्टडी किया था. And also you can see that the chromosome will be appear here. Okay, the chromosome, it mean to say the chromatin will be condensed and the chromatin will form the chromosome in condensed form. You can see here in the nucleus, these all over, these all kind of the changes you will observe here. Okay, and also the centrosome will be divided like here. Centrosome will be divided. Centrosome is also be present in the cell. So centrosome will be divided in two part, and the mitotic spindle fiber will also be start to be appear here. Okay, so these are the changes of the prophase of the karyokinesis of mitosis. You must have to remember, this is the phase of the karyokinesis, and this phase is called the prophase. And these all are the changes which we can see here in the karyokinesis of prophase in the nucleus. Okay, तो ये prophase में होने वाले changes हैं. clear? तो you can see and observe here and write down your copy. Still if you have any confusion then you can discuss with me. Okay.